Welcome back to Anointed Daily TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And as we dey normally dey do, we don come back with informate, we don come back with breaking news, we don come back with fresh report wey the general public need to dey aware about. And the koko now be say one coalition of 100 civil society groups known as the Civic Room for Rule of Law, dem now don throw their weight behind the human rights lawyer wey be Femi Falana in his call for the removal of Rivers State sole administrator wey be the retired Vice Admiral Ibas. The groups now dey claim say Oga Ibas don breach the presidential orders and he don disregard the rule of law. He don do things and things wey no dey constitutional, he don do things and things wey no nice, he don match line for inside Rivers State. Now, according to the official gazette, according to the things and things wey proceed out of the mouth of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the 18th day of March for inside this year, so wey be 2025, the sole administrator was supposed to operate on the basics of regulations issued by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is to say, anything wey our President tell am, na him go do. As our President na don sama order, he say go and take care of governance and go and make sure that you restore peace between the warring party, and that na the suspended governor Sasiminala Fubara and the minister of FCT Nyesom Wike. Make sure you calm down the tensions, make sure say anything wey dey cause fight, anything wey dey cause wahala, anything wey dey cause quarrel for inside Rivers State, you settle am before the 6 months of the suspension go expire, and you go comot for office and peace go come enter back for Rivers State. Normally, that's na the assignment wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu give Oga Ibas wey be sole administrator of the state. And now he come back see if Oga Ibas don forget the assignment. He come back see if our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu need to talk the assignment, need to give the order again, because now the group don come outside the yarn. Say Oga Ibas now don make attempt to introduce his own budget for Rivers State for this year 2025, and he no stop there. This man proceed further go dey appoint and dey remove officials wey dey appointed by the suspended governor without any regulatory framework from our President. And now for inside one statement wey dey signed by Barrister Maxwell wey be the president of the Civic Group for Rule of Law, the groups now dey express deep concern about the implications of Oga Ibas' action on the stability and security of Rivers State. The groups now dey yarn about the things and things wey dey go wrong and the consequences wey go follow sake of the actions wey Oga Ibas don take so far for inside Rivers State. And now sake of say the thing dey give them concerns, dem now come dey urge our President, the number one citizen for we nation Nigeria, say make him come take swift action o, and the action no gats be only swift one, a decisive action to address the situation and uphold rule of law for inside Rivers State. According to how men take yarn for inside their statement, they say by acting in this manner, he has compounded the illegality of his appointment and undermined the very fabric of our democratic institutions. The people of Rivers State deserve better than to be governed by an unelected official wey dey disregard the law with impunity, and they are deeply concerned about the implications of these actions on the stability and security of Rivers State. The sole administrator's arbitrary decisions have created an atmosphere of uncertainty and tension which can only be resolved by his immediate removal. So dem dey urge on our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to take swift and decisive action to address this situation and uphold the law. And then after the group now don sama the message to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, dem now come dey give accolade to the ad hoc committee of the House of Representatives on Rivers State for summoning Oga Ibas for a comprehensive interactive session. And they come dey urge the committee say make dem do the needful, make dem do Rivers State people nice, make dem thoroughly investigate the actions of Oga Ibas, and they gats do all these levels, so they gats take the necessary steps to ensure that justice is very much served. The group now constantly yarn about their commitment to promoting transparency, accountability and good governance for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. Dem now come dey vow to continue to dey monitor the situation for inside Rivers State, and they come still vow to continue to dey advocate for the rule of law to be upheld. And no be lie, my good people, this coalition of 100 civil society groups now wey dey known as Civic Room for Rule of Law, dem now no be the only organization, dem now no be the only people, dem now no be the only group, or dem now no be the only society wey dey watch, wey dey observe the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State, and wey dey watch and observe Oga Igbas movement. But however, my good pipu, we now dey see reasons to believe say men for inside we nation Nigeria, especially men for inside Rivers State now, don too observe, they don too see mago-mago activity, they don too experience jaguda activity. Wetin dem need now na action. Too much folding of hand, e no good at all at all. Too much watching and no talking na dey make men dey call men coward. And we still know very well say a closed mouth na closed destiny. But no matter the matter, my good pipu, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. But meanwhile, speaking about the ad hoc committee wey the House of Reps dey bin inaugurate to come torchlight the things and things wey dey sup for inside Rivers State, to come torchlight the things and things wey Oga Igbas don do so far for inside the state as he enter office as sole administrator. And no be lie, my good pipu, just 24 hours after the committee was inaugurated, dem now don summon Oga Igbas make him come over for questioning, for interactive section. The one from there now ask Oga Igbas the things and things wey he don achieve, the things and things wey he don accomplish for his first month in office as sole administrator. But last, aeroplane now come jam that effort as matter now come arise and postponement come board. And we come still receive information from the inside say this postponement so wey men just postpone, e get as e be o. Men now dey see reasons to believe say that interactive section wey the ad hoc committee dey bin get with Oga Igbas no go play, e no go work, e no go come to pass at all. And that na sake of say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu still dey insist make e be say Oga Igbas dey answer only to the Federal Executive Council wey be say na him wey be our president, na be chairman of the council. Our president no want make e be say na the National Assembly na dey oversee Oga Igbas. They no want make e be say na the National Assembly now na Oga Igbas go dey answer to. They no want make e be say na the National Assembly na go dey torchlight the matter of Oga Igbas. And the informate now dey let men dey know say the reasons why the Senate no even join the committee wey the House of Reps dey arrange na sake of say they don already read the body language of our president. They don already observe am say our president still want make the Federal Executive Council na go be the head, na go dey oversee Oga Igbas matter. Na why dem kukuma comot body. So this, my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. And once again, na we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, try make you put on the notification bell so that as you dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more updates, me dey come back with more reports for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.